Welcome to Computics Technologies. In today's video we will learn how to interact with smart contracts using React.js. For that we need a smart contract, so we will write a simple contract of setting an integer number. Simply create a variable with name myNumber. Create function setNumber with one parameter. Now deploy the smart contract on Web3 with MetaMask. Verify the smart contract. Once the contract is verified, we can write our smart contract from here, but we will not do that, because that is what we will be doing in React.js. This is the code of connecting to MetaMask from last video, so we will add some more code inside it. In order to interact with any contract, we need the address of smart contract. Make sure you paste the exact same address. After that, we need the API of the contract. Just copy and paste the API. Now we will create an instance of Web3. Make sure you have installed and imported the Web3. And alongside the Ethereum library in order to connect with Ethereum. These lines of code will check that if we are connected with Ethereum or not. Call the function of contract you need to interact with. Make sure you call it with exact same name and same parameters as it is written in contract. At the end, create a button to set the number. You can see two buttons here of Connect MetaMask and Set Number. First, connect MetaMask because it is necessary in order to interact with smart contract. Now if you click Set Number, it will write the smart contract on Web3. As you can see, the value is 0 by default. Click Set Number and confirm transaction. Now it changes the value to 4. As we send it here,